loss of trademark rights. Unlike other areas of intellectual property law, trademark protection does not have a set duration or definite expiration date. Trademark rights only expire once the mark is no longer being used in commerce. However, federal trademark registration expires 10 years from the registration date unless renewed within 1 year prior to expiration. Moreover, the rights in a trademark can be lost through 1. Abandonment, 2. Improper licensing and assignment, and 3. Genericity. Abandonment of trademarks. An abandonment of the trademark occurs when its use is discontinued with an intent not to resume. Intent can be inferred based on the circumstances surrounding the discontinuance. Non-use of a trademark for 3 consecutive years is a prima facie evidence of abandonment. Improper licensing and assignment of trademarks. The rights in a trademark can be lost and the trademark canceled if the mark is licensed without the proper quality control and supervision over how the mark is being used by the licensor. Moreover, if the mark is assigned in gross without the corresponding sale of the business assets, which are the underlying product for which the mark is attached, then the mark will be canceled. Simply put, under these circumstances, the purpose of the mark in identifying the source of the goods no longer exists. Trademark genericide. A mark can lose its distinctiveness when in the minds of the public, the mark symbolizes a broad category of products. The mark no longer specifically identifies the source or manufacturer. The mark, in fact, has become a generic term used by the public. To determine genericity, courts will evaluate 1. Dictionary definitions, 2. Use by newspapers and magazines, and 3. Attempts by the trademark owner to police its mark. For example, the terms escalator, thermos, aspirin, nylon, post-it notes, and cellophane have become generic terms. The duty to police your trademark. It is important to note that a trademark owner has a duty to police infringing uses of its trademark. It is solely the responsibility of the mark owner to file a civil lawsuit in state or federal civil court in order to restrict infringement. If a trademark owner does not enforce its trademark rights or otherwise fails to maintain quality control over the trademark, for example, a naked license, trademark rights may be lost. Cease and desist notices should be sent before initiating litigation. To maintain federal trademark registration, a declaration of continued use must be filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office before the end of the 6th year after the registration date. In addition, a combined application of continued use and application for renewal must be filed before the end of every 10-year period after the date of registration. If the documents are not timely filed, the registration will be canceled and cannot be reinstated. Rather, a new application must be filed. Federal trademark registration rights can last indefinitely if properly maintained.